Wow, just like that, you did it. You completed your Weldtec Designs Baja Grocery Getter Lift Kit. And now you might have a little bit of rubbing and maybe a catastrophic alignment issue. Don't worry, we can do that. We can fix all that because we have YouTube. So I'm gonna go over a couple things, what I did as soon as I finished this kit, just so I could drive down the road. You should obviously take it to a professional. But I did a couple things and put several thousand miles on it, and it was okay for me. But this is just for me. You should take it to someone else. Don't listen to me. But here's what I did. Now there is a pretty big positive camber. There you go. Yeah, now you can see it. Obviously, I'm gonna get it aligned. I don't know if just some eccentric bolts and they adjust those takes care of that. So we need to tuck them in. This guy knows the drill. That was nice. Hopefully the new one goes in as easy. Napa 264, 1990. Again, I'm gonna take this to an alignment shop. This is just in order for me to get rolling. Now I want to pull it. It's gonna go the way this dash is. So I want to pull it forward. Tuck it in as much as I can. And pull it away from that fender. Anything past that is starting to go backwards again. All right, so that should be tucked. Put the wheels on and see, and drop them down. See how they look. Much better. The question is, does it rub? Potentially it might rub worse now. On that side, this side has been good to me. Okay. I think that's much better. I will feel okay about driving that around now. Okay, so we're knocking the stuff out. This is the only thing we really need to fix right now, and it's gonna involve cutting, frankly. I talked to Jeremy at Weldtec, and he said one could put a spacer right here, but I think I'm just gonna cut it. Look at that. Debris. I'm thinking if we can just go left of this and just bring it up. Oh, gee. Oh, the humanity. Okay, there's a real finesse when working with the cutoff wheel on an angle grinder. That will not be demonstrated here today. but somebody is probably really good at one of these and can be very precise and accurate. We're just gonna do. Eyes and ears. There's more junk in there. Thought it took care of all his. I'm cool with this. This is hey, this is fun. Barrel up in here. Okay, I know there's probably a lot of just muscle-bound beefcakes out here who can just grab a big heavy tire, slap it on the hub, no problem. But if you're just a strongman challenge guy like myself, only bench 300, here's a technique for you. All right, we're gonna get this big tire on this van here. You're gonna use your legs here to do all the lifting. See what I'm saying? So you just line her up and rock it up and down on your legs. On you go. Easy as can be. Good thing I put this jack leg right in the shot. Ha ha ha.